Police say the crash happened around 5 o'clock on Friday night. An ambulance dispatched from Meadow Lake was headed north on Highway 155 to respond to a call. Meanwhile, a truck with 4 people inside was headed south on the same highway. We don't know the details of how the crash happened, but we know it took place close to the community of Beauval. 2 children who were in the truck were killed. 12-year-old Jerome Couliner and his cousin, Kinsey Iron Couliner. She was just 15 months old. One of the paramedics who was in the ambulance was also killed in the crash. The Saskatchewan Health Authority hasn't released his name, but one paramedics group we spoke to today said the crash highlights the risk that first responders take in doing their job.
It underlines our vulnerability when we are responding to someone else's emergency, and that at any time we can also become an emergency ourselves.
The health authority issued its own statement saying, "Our thoughts and deepest condolences are with all patients, individuals and families that have been involved and impacted by this tragic incident. EMS personnel put themselves at risk to serve others, so it's especially heartbreaking when they are affected by such a crash." The RCMP is investigating the crash. So far, we've been told that alcohol was not a factor, but that road conditions were poor, with snow and slush covering parts of the highway that night. Guy Kenville, CBC News, Saskatoon.